I'm Jennifer Raza from AlteNew, and I am so excited to show you some of our newest products that are coming out this month, and we'll be continuing to release some amazing new things throughout the year. We are known for our amazing floral stamps and our dies and our washi tapes and for so many different things, and here's what we have coming up. We have some standalone dies right here. We have a lot of intricate, beautiful details in these dies. If you look on over in this area, these are our newest stamps that are releasing in January. We have some outline stamps and we have some layering stamps. And of course, since it's AlteNew, we're focusing on our florals. And we have some other exciting products that are coming up this year, including an incredible mat, which is just perfect for stamping or for cutting. You can use it on many, many different projects. We have a brand new stamping mat releasing, as well as some fantastic new embellishments, including our amazing sequins. These come in the cutest little container, and I love them so much. We also have a new category releasing, which is called Paint a Flower, and it's very similar to our Build a Flower series, and the new stamp will be coming out every month. In addition, we have some mixed media inks in a variety of colors, which you can use on any surface, including wood or paper or even on fabric. We also have new paints coming out, and these are artist quality watercolors. And of course, you need some paper to paint them on. So we have 2 different packs of watercolor paper that are going to be releasing. And we have these beautiful wide washi tapes with gold foil details, and they're really the perfect accent for any project.